Happy New Year's, everybody. Getting some snow today. I guess I'll be getting the 3520 going later tonight and doing some snow removal. Go to the shop. Going to the shop and showing you our next project. There's the rusty bucket. In the shop. And so, this is my son's I think it's a 1988 or 89. We're not 100% sure. Chevy S10. And as you can see, it has a it's a 350 V8 in it. It's carbureted. And he bought this truck. He was going to pull the 4.8 liter Vortec engine out of it and put in this truck. But this truck, it's not in that bad a shape. And there's the Vortec engine. 4.8 liter. I believe it's... This truck only has... You'll see it here. 85,533 kilometers on it. And it's just a base model truck, nothing fancy. Or maybe he's better off putting that engine in there. But I did find him a 6 liter LS engine and transmission that he can put in that truck. Whether or not he'll want to. Well, actually he does want to. More power. This isn't a bad little truck, this one. This is and he replaced all the upper and lower. You can see the upper control arms there. He replaced the whole, we did that last winter, we replaced all the front end parts on this truck. Upper and lower control arms, new shocks. He put 2-inch drop spindles on it, on the front. He did a lot of work to it. And now he wants to upgrade the motor. So, should be interesting. So that's our next project. We're not 100% sure if that engine is going to be going in this truck or not. We just got to wait and see. And then still put the 6 liter in this truck. Oh yeah, and you got new LED lights too. These lights are really bright. Pretty cool. So, he just got those put in there about a week ago. I think he actually got them for him for Christmas. So yeah. Anyway. That's his project. And it's 43 degrees in here. Well, that is. So I think I should light the stove. I think I will light the stove, actually.